In this video, I will be showing you how to use Whiteboard in Canva. Let's get started. From the Canva homepage, I click on the search bar and type in Whiteboard. In the search results, I click See All to view the templates, and then I select Create a blank whiteboard to open a clean workspace. Once the whiteboard loads, I collapse the side panel to make room on my screen. Next, I head over to the left sidebar, click on Text, and select Add a heading. In the text box, I delete the default text and type Planner. With the text highlighted, I click the text color icon in the top toolbar and choose a green color. Then, I click on Effects in the toolbar and apply the echo effect. To change the style, I open the Font drop-down menu, scroll down, and select Poppins. I adjust the text box size and move the heading up to the top center of the canvas. Next, I open the Sticky Notes tool from the left toolbar. I click on a pink sticky note, resize it, and place it beneath the heading. I then add an orange sticky note right next to it and resize it to match. Following the same steps, I add a green sticky note and then a purple sticky note on the right, keeping all four notes evenly aligned across the board. Now, I click on Text from the left sidebar to add a new text box. I place it below the sticky notes and type your ideas here. To change the font, I open the font menu and select Moontime for a handwritten style. I scale up the text and center it nicely. Finally, I select a straight line from the tools, place it beneath the text, and drag the endpoint to extend it across the canvas. I then zoom out to see the entire layout. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to use Whiteboard in Canva.